Welcome. In today's class, I'm going to show you how to open a Binance account. Binance.com is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and on this platform, you can literally buy and sell crypto within minutes. And in today's class, I'm going to show you step by step how to open an account and also the documents that you need to provide for your account to be verified within minutes or in less than 24 hours. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to scroll to the description in this video and you're gonna see this link, Open Binance. Click on it and it's going to bring you to this page. This is the registration page. When registering with Binance, you have the option to either register with your email or with your phone number. If you wanted to register with your phone number, you put your country and also you put in your phone number, then your password, and just click create account. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to create an account using an email. So the first thing that you need to do is to enter your email. So go ahead and enter your email here. So once you enter your email, the next thing is to enter your password. Binance recommends that your password should be at least 8 characters long and it should include an uppercase and also a number. So go ahead and create your complex password. Enter your email and your complex password. As you can see, it says hi, meaning that my password is very complex. So the next thing that you need to do is to click on create account. So go ahead, click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to the security verification page. So what you need to do is to slide to complete the puzzle. You can see this puzzle right and there. So you're going to slide this forward to make this. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So once you do that, it'll bring you to this page where you need to enter your verification code. This is going to be sent to your email and you have about 60 seconds to enter that. Even if you exceed the 60 seconds, you can just click resend email and it's going to send you the code. So let's go ahead and do that. So the next thing is that it's going to bring you to this page. This is going to be where it's going to say welcome to Binance. Obviously you can deposit cash, you can deposit crypto, or if you just want to use your credit card. Okay, but we're not going to do this first. We just want to register first to get our account going. So what you're going to do next is you're going to go here, go to dashboard. So go ahead and do that. Once you click it, it's going to bring you to this page where you need to do a verification. Okay, so this is where you're going to do either a phone verification or if you need to download Google Authenticator. Okay, so if you want to do the Google Authenticator, this is where you're going to download Google Authenticator on your phone, or if you just want to link this to your phone number, you just say okay, phone number verification. This is where you're going to put your phone number. It's going to send you an SMS and it's also going to send you a code to your email. But if you don't want to do that, again, you can just use the Google verification. Okay, so go ahead and do that. You can either do the phone verification or the Google verification where you need to download Google Authenticator. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this dashboard. Okay, so this is where you need to provide, you need to verify your address. This is where you need to provide some document. Okay, and so the first thing that we're going to do, as I said, you need to verify this, the two-factor authentication. That is going to be when you need to download either the Google Authenticator or you're going to link your phone to this. Once you link your phone to this, the next thing that you need to do, you can even come here and say, okay, I need to verify my identity. So this is where you're going to, so let's click on that, click on verify identity. So what you need to do here is you click, so it's going to bring you to this page. Next thing that you need to do, personal details. So you click on verify. So this is, let's say for example, you're in Canada or in whatever country that you are, you're going to select your country, but I'm just going to say Canada. This is where you're going to enter your first name, your date of birth, and your residential address. And also, I highly recommend that you actually put in your phone number. Remember, in the previous step, we actually included our phone number. So once you do that, you can download the same app, this same Binance. You can download it on your phone. And once you do that, you will be able to log in just using your facial verification. Okay. And also, in terms of the identity and facial recognition, you're going to upload a photo ID and you're going to take a picture of yourself. So what you need to do for this one, again, you need to provide like an ID card that has your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your residential address. But the first thing that you need to do is we're going to say start. For Canada, you put in your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your residential address. You put it here and you click on the submit button. So once you do that, it's going to ask you also for your facial verification. And for you to do this, you can just download Binance on your phone. And once you download it on your phone, you will be able to just sign in into your Binance using just your face. Or if you don't want to do that, again, you can just upload your photo ID and you're going to take a picture of yourself with your ID card. Once you do that, within minutes, your account should be verified. In our next class, I'm going to show you how to add money into your Binance account, okay? And if you have any question whatsoever, anything that seems confusing to you, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below. I read all your comments and I'll be very happy to answer them. So until then, I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye.